Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Pranavi and Archana, for joining in. And today we are together. First of all, I want to thank you. Thank you for being here. And we all know, how we have decided on this book, just the last moment. And hello, Mamta. Thank you for joining in. And so I decided that let's do an introductory. वैसे तो we always do, always have the first session as an introductory session to understand the book that we are going to start. So, as because I'm going to open the recordings to everybody, let me introduce the book. Today, we are going to start a new book, Awaken the Giant Within, which is written by Tony Robbins. And this book is not just another self-help book. I would say it's a personal manual for anyone who is truly ready to take control of their lives. कैसे इमोशनली मेंटली फाइनेंशियली स्पिरिचुअली जैसे भी. And before we start reading this book, I want each one of us to, collectively set an intention. And for that, I would love for you to close your eyes for a moment and take a deep breath in and out. Say to yourself quietly, I am open, I am ready, and I am willing to grow. This space is your space, your sacred space in the day. In the past as well as in the future, I intend to keep this space very, very sacred, wherein you can share and evolve and grow as much as possible. I'm looking forward to transformations. All right. Now, why this book? First of all, वैसे तो we have just, at 1 p.m. we have decided, okay, let's collaboratively, decide on this book. Okay, we want to read Awaken the Giant Within. Yet, Tony Robbins का Awakening the Giant Within इसलिए लिखना था because he believes and he believed that each one of us has sleeping powers within us. हमारी वो पावर्स डल हो गई है बिकॉज ऑफ द काइंड ऑफ कंडीशनिंग्स द फियर्स द डाउट्स द पास्ट स्टोरीज द लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स जो भी हम अपने आप को बताते रहते हैं ऑल द टाइम द इनर चटर मटर दैट वी डू एंड दिस बुक इज अबाउट awakening that power, waking up that power. It is about regaining your control over the small decisions that we make on everyday basis. All right. Be it हमारे thoughts, be it हमारे emotions, be it our habits. And it is going to show us that the true change does not happen overnight, but in every moment of the decision we take. If we are deciding to read this book, that is also a decision. If we are choosing to read some other book, that is also a decision. If we are saying yes to book reading club, that is a decision. And if you are saying a no, that also is a decision. And every decision contributes to the future. हमारा future उस पे decided है. Tony Robbins का simple mission था to write this book. That was to give people tools so that they can master their emotions, they can master their bodies, they can master their relationships, their finances, and overall, their destiny. He has written a very beautiful line and he says, you already have the power to change your life. You just need to awaken it. And हमको भी अभी तक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जर्नी पे पता चल चुका है कि yes, we have that within us. We have everything within us. We have all the answers within us. We have all the powers within us. We just need to sharpen them. We need to polish them. We need to awaken them. And what I love about this book is that it's not written from theory. It is written from experience. We have all seen Tony Robbins' journey. We know, how it has been for him, the sad stories of his life and everything. If you have closely observed Tony Robbins, you would know that it's a practical, it is a very deeply transformational and personal and empowering book. Tony Robbins is going to take us by hand and walk us through about how to rewire our thinking and take back the steering wheel of our lives. We have put somebody else on the steering wheel, and that is why we keep blaming them कि मेरे को तो गलत direction में लेके चले गए. Now we are going to have the steering wheel back in our life through this book. And why is it powerful for us? Because right now, in this moment, we are not there just to live, but to live fully, to live joyfully, to live powerfully. And this book is going to help us to reconnect with the part of us that knows exactly who we are and what we are here to do. There are a few takeaways, to walk through the book. This is what we are going to do. You will walk away with this book with the clear vision of your life, tools to shift your mindset instantly, awareness of the patterns that no longer serve you, and the confidence to rise above them. So over the next few weeks and months, I don't know how long is it going to take us to finish this book, because we go page by page, topic by topic. We are not going to just read words. We are going to absorb them. We are going to practically do the workbook exercises. We are going to do the reflecting. We are going to grow together. Are we in it together? And for those who are joining for the first time, I want to welcome you. First 5 sessions are completely free for you to experience this energy, for the reflections, and for the familyhood, sisterhood, brotherhood, whatever you call it here. By the next Monday, you will be, if you love to grow with us, if you love the energy of this room, I would like, and you would like to continue, you can continue as a paid member. And yes, I think that's about it. Anybody wants to share anything before we close this session? कितनी जल्दी से खत्म कर दिया मैंने, बताओ. Because I just had to, all of a sudden हम लोगों ने decide किया कि हाँ ये वाली book पढ़नी है, तो I was like यार कुछ तो बोलना पड़ेगा. I don't have the book in my hand. I do have the PDF now, but it was all last moment, taking care of all this. Renu Singh, yes, I'm ready. Wonderful.
I am ready.
Charge. We are ready to take charge of our lives, right? Wonderful.
Already feeling giant. Let's see. Curious now. What it is all about. Yes.
See, it is going to impact all the phases of our life, be it financial, be it emotional, be it relationships, be it anything that you're looking for. Just have an intention. Intention that whatever I am seeking, the answers come to me from this book. Right?
Ultimately to grow from everything.
Yes. Anything. It can be anything. There are times when you start reading a book and you find just single line and you're like, wow, this is the one thing that is going to transform my life. And you start living by it.
Hi, Archana. Good to see you.
By the way,
Same here, Renu. Hello.
how many of you have gone through the recording of the weekend session? Nahi dekha? Tonight at 12 noon, 12 midnight, I'll be taking away the access. So please go and watch it.
Okay.
Mamta was there. Pranavi came and she left.
But I missed Archana's Ho'oponopo prayer. I want to be in that again, please.
Go.
One more.
Go watch the recordings. You will
Acha,
get
it is there. It is there.
Yes.
Yes, it is there on in Saturday's Growth X meet, na?
Acha, Growth
Growth X.
Saturday one. Okay.
I was eager to attend, but then I was totally busy with my naughty children. So,
Your kids are naughty, Pranavi. I thought
yeah,
they're.
my elder one is
So good.
a benevolent child, but my small one is little naughty.
Hmm. Yeah. Wonderful, wonderful.
That's wonderful of her, na? She's
Yeah,
flaunting that. So
yeah.
nice. So nice.
Wonderful, wonderful. Hello, Vinita, Israni. Thank you for joining in. Please unmute
Hello, Karishma.
yourself and let me know which place are you coming from, which group are you coming from.
I'm here from Mumbai.
Mhm.
I
Wonderful, wonderful. Vinita, we just, today was the first day, and I just wanted to introduce the book to each one of you. So,
yeah.
I just finished doing that. This book is a very powerful book. Since you have just joined in, I would love to tell you about, a little about it. And it's, going to be a transformative book, which is going to work on all areas of your life, basically, be it emotional, be it mental, be it financial, be it spiritual, be it your relationships, be it your thought process, because Tony Robbins says that, he believes that every decision that you're making is actually deciding the future that you're going to live. So this book
Yeah.
is going to help you to take, gain back the control of your life, of the smaller decisions of your life as well. So that
Okay.
is what this book is about. And we will be starting to read from the first chapter tomorrow itself. So
Okay. And which is the book?
the you don't know the book? The book is The Giant Within.
Okay. Okay, I'll join from tomorrow.
Yes, absolutely. And you get this, you can join the sessions till Friday. They are free of cost for everyone. You can invite
Okay.
your friends, your relatives, anybody. Okay,
Okay,
to
ma'am.
read with us. And from Monday, you can decide whether you wish to move forward with this energy or you are okay without it. Mamta
Okay,
is
no
saying,
problem.
thanks, Karishma, for giving us a platform not to shrink, rather to expand and shine. Lots of love. Thank you. Komal, how are you? You have not unmuted and said anything. जब से आए हो चुपचाप बैठे हो. Do you think I can't see you?
I'm fine, Karishma. Thank you. And yeah, we'll love to be there from tomorrow for this book.
Actually, that is why I'm not opening the camera. I'm not well. I've got a fever.
It's
So
okay.
that is why I joined so late. I've had a medicine and I couldn't get up.
It's okay. Would you like to share some reviews on the book that we are going to start from tomorrow?
Yeah. Which book? Same book tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay. For how many days you're going to
Uh,
start that?
we read, topic by topic, and I'm
Okay.
not sure how big the book is. But we normally, read topic by topic and we do the journaling, we do the introspection, the reflection part
Yeah.
of it, and then we move ahead so that the real transformation actually happens.
Okay. That's nice. So tomorrow also same time?
Yes, it's going to be at 2 p.m. and we will start sharp at 2:05 because there are times when people are winding up their things and they enter the room by 2:05. So 2:05 we will start immediately. We will not wait more. And we will be reading. Along with that, we will be discussing and reflecting. And, we will be, how we reflect is we think about how it is that we can implement it in our lives, in our life scenarios. So that is what
Right.
actually brings shift in our lives, right?
Yes.
So that's how
Yes.
we.
Right. Because this book, Tony Robbins has clearly said na, that how you got to empower us by Actually, I was very in emotional turmoil that time. So somebody gave me an idea to read that book.
Wow.
So I read it. Like I just, I didn't go it thoroughly, but I just skimmed around the book so that I could get some idea. One or two chapters I read it nicely. That and that really, shifted my perspective towards emotions, and I was very emotional. So
Wow.
it was really fun and it shifted something. You have taken a very nice book.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thanks to
very
Komal. She
good.
suggested. So we normally take a poll in our paid community wherein people, hit the poll and then we decide on the book. Uh,
Yeah.
but yeah, Komal was the first one who suggested this book, and I think we all agreed on reading it.
Right, very nice. Very, very, you can call inspiring book.
Wonderful. And Tony Robinson himself is such a powerful person. I'm sure
Yeah.
he's also written one more book, Unlimited Power. That also is
Okay.
a very beautiful book.
Yes, yes. I have gone through that, but not that much. But I say he, मतलब देखी है बस summary types.
I want to ask you, सच्ची सच्ची बताना Neeta ji. What I
Right.
want to ask you is how many books do you have in your bookshelf?
Yeah, I've got many, and I'm very fond of podcast also. So I keep on having books. Podcast भी है, I read through Amazon also. वैसे फिजिकल जो बुक्स होती है ना वो आई कांट कैरी देम ना. अदरवाइज घर में है मेरी कोई एटलीस्ट 30-40 बुक्स होंगी.
And have you read all of them?
Not actually, uh, not that you what you can call seriously, but but whenever I feel like I just take up a chapter so that you keep in touch with the reading. That's my idea.
Hmm.
Otherwise, reading stuff mile nahi na फिर then you don't feel good na.
You know what happens most of the times? Well, most of the times, what we do is when we read books, we skim through them. We just
Yeah.
read them. मजा आ रहा है. It is such an interesting book. I can't let go my hands off it. And you read it, and it ends, and you're like, "Wow, I finished this book." And does that bring
I
transformation?
Yes, that reminds me one book I could not leave it. That was White Tiger. White Tiger. It is a book written by, I think, it's an Indian author. I don't remember. उनको अभी he got a award also. जब awards news सुनी ना, then I purchased that book, and then I thought, okay, let's read it. It was really so mesmerizing. First page से start किया, by the night I completed the whole thing.
Wow.
Actually, it was just a story, na. I
For
just said
me, for
like
me,
book we
that
have
book,
started.
for me, that
Oh,
book was The Secret. क्या
secret.
गोपाल गौर नहीं the गौर गोपाल दास की है Amazing Secrets of Life, something around that.
अच्छा,
And
अच्छा.
then The Five Love Languages. I sat with that book and I forgot of the time, and I was reading and reading and reading. Later, I
That
sat with somebody individually to read the same book.
again.
And I realized that there are so many learnings which I did not even realize while, just reading through the book, because I was
That
so
is,
entertained reading
yes,
it. I did not even reflect on what is being said.
yes. That is what I appreciate now, that you have taken a nice book so that people can reflect over it.
And I'm going to, share powerful prompts with the
Okay.
people in the group who are,
Nice,
there. So it is
nice.
going to bring massive, massive shifts, I'm sure. Hello,
Thank you.
Shilpi. How are you? Thank you for joining in. Hi, Shilpa. Sorry, Shilpa. Hi, Shilpa. How are you?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Karishma. I'm good. How are you?
I am great. Which group are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
Coming from this Gargi's group only. I'm from Gargi's group.
All
So
right.
I saw your this thing Zoom meeting which is scheduled for 2 p.m. So I just joined. I don't know what is it about, but just like that I joined.
वाह क्या बात है. So do you know what is it about now?
No, I just joined like 5 minutes back.
All right. So, Komal Singh, we just completed a powerful book, Master Your Emotions. I host a book reading club, and
Okay.
we have been reading books regularly. It happens twice every week, every day. One at 2 p.m. The other session happens at 10 p.m. दोनों में
Okay.
अलग-अलग books हम पढ़ते हैं.
Okay.
And
Okay.
people who are comfortable with this timing, they join at this time. People who are comfortable with
Okay.
the 10 p.m., they come at 10 p.m.
Okay.
And it also depends on the choice of the book, right? अगर हम कौन
Yes.
सी book
Yes.
पढ़ रहे हैं किस time पे you want to read, then in any case you are going to make time for that.
Okay. Okay.
Second, we are starting off with the new book today. So today was an introductory, this session, wherein
Okay.
I have introduced the book Awaken the Giant Within, that is written by Tony Robbins.
Okay.
Yes. So, Anita ma'am has already read that book and she was sharing her, this thing.
Okay.
But since you have not read it, I'll tell you, this is a very powerful book. It is going to help you with, it talks about that you already have the power to change your life. You just need to awaken it. And you also
Okay.
need to understand that true change doesn't happen overnight, but it happens in the moment of decisions.
Yes.
अगर आपको अपनी control, if you want to regain the control over the small decisions of your life, if you want to, cut off the पुरानी conditionings थी, fears and doubts हैं, limiting beliefs हैं, past stories हैं, this book is going to help you with that. And it is going to be transformative because it is going to work on your emotionally, physically, mentally, in your relationships, in your thought process, everything. Plus, what
Okay.
more is going to help you is the prompts that I'm going to share with each one of you to, ponder on, to reflect on, so that it gives massive shift in your life. And I invite you, Anita ji, you, Shilpa, both of you are coming here for the first time. So I would love for you to, attend at least these 5 days that are free for you, so that
Okay.
you understand the energy of this room, you understand how we operate, and you understand the kind of value that you get when you, enter in such rooms. And if that helps you, if you feel that is powerful, that is valuable, you can, choose to move forward from Monday.
Sure.
All
So it's
right.
tonight 10 p.m.
Yes, at night 10 p.m. we are reading the book The Power of Intentions.
No,
Yes.
this book which you're talking about, it's starting from tomorrow.
Yes, today was the introductory session. Tomorrow we will start off with the reading of the book. Okay. Any questions that any of you have? Sure. Thank you so much for joining in, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day ahead. God bless each one of you, and see you tomorrow at 2 p.m. and take care of yourself. Bye.